When I said there were countless filters in Photoshop, I wasn't only referring to the filter gallery. There are lots of different filters which can be very useful. For example, let's use the blurring filter in order to separate this object from the background and draw the viewer's attention to it. To do this, you need to make a quick selection. We need to go to the Select menu and select Inverse. After this, go to the Filter menu and pick Blur, then Gaussian Blur. As you can see, we've successfully achieved the effect we'd have if the photograph was taken with a wide aperture. But since we want everything to be as easy and as accessible as possible, I'll show you how to use filters which you'll be able to change later on, in the same way as with adjustment layers. To do this, we'll go a few steps back to the Filter menu and then Convert to Smart Filters and click OK. This message informs you that in order to activate this option, your layer needs to be converted into a smart object. A smart object can preserve information like the one in Filters, and you can easily change it later on if you'd like to. This is very convenient, as half an hour later you could decide you've applied too much or too little of a filter effect and could easily make changes. It's a convenient option which gives you the flexibility and helps you save time. Let's look at some more filters. For example, the filter which allows you to sharpen an image is called Unsharp Mask. You can find it in the Filter menu, then Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. With the help of this filter, you can sharpen parts of the image to which you want to draw the viewer's attention. There is no right number, and the choice of values is up to you. It depends on the effect you desire to achieve and how strong you wish for it to be. It also depends on the quality of the photograph, because the poorer the quality, the fewer alterations you can make.